guys, I hope this video catches you all well, and today I thought I would unbox my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and here it is. This one is the Exynos version and it was bought directly from Samsung. So let's have a look. So it looks like a support leaflet there. And here we have it, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G model. So I actually went for the 512 gig model. I thought to myself that with TVs being 4K, it only makes sense recording video in 4K. So let's go ahead and unbox this then. Okay, so here's the phone itself, and I went for the Aura Glow model. So as you can see, it does seem to be super shiny. It actually feels fairly lighter than my Note 9. Looks like there's no buttons on the right hand side. You've got the volume rocker here and what looks like the power button here. You've got the SIM tray just there. That looks like some microphones. USB-C there, and you've got the speaker grill there. Another microphone. And here we have the S Pen. The S Pen is a very nice shade of blue actually. It does look quite elegant. So you got the handset in the box. Let's see what else is in here. You've got the UK 25 watt super fast charger. It does say super fast charger there. It's USB-C. So presumably there's some few bits in here. Looks like a USB-C to USB-C cable. And of course you've got the USB-C earphones, and they looks like they're actually tuned by AKG. Incidentally, AKG is an audio company which has been bought out by Samsung, so that doesn't surprise me. And then of course you actually have a USB-C to USB-A converter there. Quite handy. What is actually surprising is Samsung have included these things in the box, but what they didn't include was a USB-C to 3.5mm jack. Now if they did do the USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, which allows the somebody to use normal headphones, that would have been good. I mean, considering these things cost about a few pounds, I'm a little bit surprised that Samsung were a little bit stingy on that. What else do we have here? So that looks like, doesn't look like there's anything much in there. What I was looking for I was actually looking for Right, yeah, here we go. So you can see here there is an extraction tool to remove the pen tips. So I think there's a spare pen tip in there. Yes, there is a spare pen tip in there. So yeah, it makes me wonder that Samsung have included these small little accessories, but they didn't include the 3.5mm adapter. I suppose it's just a case of Samsung drinking some apple juice. So okay, there you have it. That's what's included in the box. So what else I actually had was a case. Now this is an ESR case. I'll leave the link in the description below for this. I did purchase this from Amazon in the UK. So let's have a look. Okay, so I went for the clear variant of this case, obviously to display the back of the phone, which is absolutely stunning. And then this particular case has a kickstand. Now this kickstand can be put like this, or it could be put like that. So let's see what it looks like with the phone in the case. Okay, it looks like there is a screen protector already on the device. I don't know if you could see it, but it's quite hard to see, but there is a screen protector already applied. I can just about see the actual screen protector with the hole cut out there on the camera at the front. You can switch on the phone. And you can make out that it is actually pretty shiny. A few fingerprints there, that's expected. But yeah, overall I'm quite pleased with that. It does look like a pretty sturdy case. Yeah, I would say I'd give this case 8 out of 10. Let's have a look at the sturdiness of... Okay. Yeah, the sturdiness is actually pretty good. You can actually have your kickstand like that, or you can have it like this, depending on how you want your phone to be just sat there. That's actually pretty good. I'm quite impressed with that. This also doesn't seem very flimsy. It seems like it is a quality hinge, which makes a change, because usually when you see these cases, what happens is, especially on the Spigen ones, the actual kickstand itself, it tends to wear out over time, and then it becomes very flimsy. This one seems to be quite solid. It's a pretty solid hinge there. So I'm just hoping that it stands the test of time, and you know, it does what it's supposed to do. It seems to be doing everything fine right now, so that seems to be quite good. So there you have it. That's the unboxing of my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus.